always a proverb or a saying to match whatever emotion or situation there is. Now, these proverbs or sayings are influenced by our multicultural ancestry, namely that of the African and English ancestry. And of course, it's not just the saying or the proverb, it's how you say it too. Hush, no mind. Every day devil help thief, but one day, God will help watchman. The English would say, every day the devil helps the thief, but one day God will help the watchman. In other words, no watch, no face, hush, no mind. Good will always overcome evil. The unjust may seem to prosper, but no worry yourself. Your situation will one day change soon. Because remember, I tell you, good will always triumph over evil. Every day, devil help thief. One day, God will help watchman. There is so much truth and wisdom in our good old Jamaican proverbs. So we need to claim our heritage, know our culture, get to know we Jamaican proverb them, and use them when we really need to.